We're going to create a static website and publish it to GitHub Pages in less than 5 minutes. Here we go. Create the repository first. All right, that's created. Now we're going to view the repository. We're going to open it up. We're going to use the GitHub command line to do that as well. So this should pull open the site with that repository. We need to change the settings to enable GitHub Pages. So we go to settings, we go to pages, we pick GitHub Actions here. We're going to pick configure static HTML. And in the blog post, I have what you're going to put in there. We're just simply adding a .NET build command into the default template, but you can copy and paste the whole thing. Start commit new file. All right, so GitHub Pages is now enabled. We're going to come back to here. We're going to clone this repository, also using the GitHub command. There we go. We've got that cloned. We're going to change directory into the static GitHub Pages folder, and then we're going to create the project. I'm going to call it my generator, and that's going to be .NET New Console minus in my generator. Done. Now I change directory into that folder, and we're going to add in the static docs library, and should be done like this. .NET add package. There we go. We're good to go with that. Now we're going to actually open this project. Pull it over here so you can see it. We're going to change the program file to use very basic Bootstrap. Just going to say create docs, run async. There we go. We've got that. While we're in there, if I can find it again. While we're in there, we're going to create an input folder. This is where you're going to write your content. And inside that, we're going to create a basic first page, index.md, and copy in here, very simple, some metadata, title, so forth. And with that, we should have everything ready to go. We're going to do git add -- all. Then we're going to do git commit minus right there, my static GitHub Pages site, and git push. And when that push happens, it should actually run the page. Let's go see our site here. Should have some actions ready to go. This guy should deploy it. If it can get it done in my minute and 45 seconds left, would be great. Hopefully. So that fires up the static generator, and it will take your inputs and generate the outputs and push them up and then deploy them. Here we go. It's running. Had to install .NET first onto this machine. Deploy. Come on. And looks like we're good. So at that point, this site that didn't exist before, and it's not 2, it's this, should now exist. Presto, there you have it in less than 4 minutes.